Hi, my name is Uday Shetty. I am the promoter of Broadway Cars. It's a used car showroom located in Hapsiguda, Hyderabad. We started our showroom in the year 2002, and one of the main reasons we got into this business is because during that time the business of used cars in Hyderabad was very disorganized. If a person had to buy a car, it really caused a lot of hardships. There were no place where all the cars were displayed on under one roof. So we at Broadway thought that we will do this, and we started this in 2002. We are a multi-branded used car showroom, probably one of the first ones to come start with this concept. We park all the cars of all brands and makes and years under one roof. So the used car business has changed tremendously over the past 10 years or so. Earlier, let's say around 10 years back, the used car business was a very disorganized business, unorganized rather. It was primarily dominated by individual brokers or so-called dealers who were, I would say, fleecing the customers because there was no reliability, transparency, authenticity. There was problem with the condition of the vehicle, there was problem with the papers, there was problem with some of the cars were being purchased from outside of the state, and then a lot of manipulations were done. So the word called trust was not there. Currently the business has undergone a lot of change. It has, from an unorganized business, it is now slowly transforming into an organized business. By organized business I mean the dealers or showrooms are focusing more on documentation, the condition of the vehicle, customer satisfaction and customer continuation, and more importantly they want customers to refer to other customers and grow organically rather than grow inorganically by depending on advertisements also. In order to do that, customer satisfaction, or giving customer what he wants, more importantly cars which he can rely on. Broadway Cars has focused primarily, its main caption had been, you don't buy just cars, you buy peace of mind. So that peace of mind is given to the customer only when he gets a car which doesn't break down, when he gets a car where police people do not knock in the middle of the night and take away your car because it was a stolen car. You don't have to. Earlier, when a person bought a car from the so-called brokers or dealers, the car would go to the garage. There it had to be spruced up, and then he will take it to the temple. Today, from Broadway Cars, you straight away go to the temple and start driving. That is the biggest difference that we have done.